The five main technologies in 5G are millimeter waves, small cells, massive MIMO, beamforming, and full duplex. MIMO has big limitation. Antennas send signals in every direction at once. Therefore, when so many antennas are placed so close to each other, it causes interference in signals emitted by different antennas. To address this challenge, we use another technology called as beamforming. Instead of broadcasting in every direction, a 5G base station sends a focused beam of data to a particular user. This is called as beamforming. Many times, the terms massive MIMO and beamforming are used interchangeably. But in reality, we can say that beamforming is used in massive MIMO. That is, beamforming is a subset of massive MIMO. In fact, beamforming has its own three subcategories, which are digital beamforming, also known as precoding, analog beamforming, and hybrid beamforming. Massive MIMO uses many antennas. Since these antennas are placed too close, there is interference among the signals sent out by these antennas. To avoid interference, beamforming is used. Beamforming controls the direction of the wavefront. This is achieved by appropriately weighing the magnitude and phase of signal transmitted by individual antenna in an array. In other words, same signal is sent from different antennas, but there is a phase difference or say space between them, space of at least half wavelength. This causes constructive interference of signal waves in one direction and causes destructive interference in all other directions. That is, a beam or a lobe is formed in one direction while no signal is sent in other directions. At the receiving end, the user gets multiple copies of the same signal, one each from different antennas. However, depending on the location of the receiver vis-a-vis the tower, these multiple signals may be in opposite phases, destructively interferenced and hence cancelling each other out, or constructively interferenced to create stronger signal. Before going forward, let's understand beamforming in a little more detail. We know an antenna contains a radiating element which emits electromagnetic radiation in all directions. But instead of all directions, if we want to focus the radiation in one direction, then we will have to use more than one radiating elements and feed them with the same signal. It will still be called as one antenna, but signal will be more directed. For example, if we use two radiating elements placed next to each other, we get twice the energy in one direction and less energy going sideways in other directions. This 2 times energy is called as 3 decibels. Similarly, if we have 4 radiating elements and feed them with the same signal, we still have one antenna, but we will get 4 times the energy going forward in one direction, and it is called as 6 decibels. The problem with this is that the receiver has to be in front of the antenna. If the receiver were to be on a side, the signal will not reach it. So, in order to direct the beam in some direction, we need to change direction of the antenna, or we need to feed each radiating element with same signal but with different phases. If signal to all radiating elements is same except that they have different phases, we will have constructive interference in one direction, and there will be destructive interference in all other directions. Instead of different phases, we can also use different amplitude to have constructive interference in a given direction and create different types of beams. By varying the input signals to the radiating elements, one can create multiple beams as well. These beams could go in different directions. In fact, one can also create a beam which goes directly downward to a user standing at the foot of the base station tower. This process of sending multiple beams is called as spatial multiplexing or spatial division multiple access (SDMA). Number of antennas is same as the number of input signals. One can multiplex as many beams as the number of antennas. For example, with 4 antennas, you can send 1 strong beam, or 2 less stronger beams, or 4 weaker beams.